The fudge one just makes me want to like cry. See if you're in it. Oh
no! It is. It's too good.
It's too good, babe.
They're gonna see.
I hope they do. We'll shoot a porno for them.
Love.
Oh. Oh. Not really, because it's like a wide. Like it's too good. It's legit too good. I'm not even fucking with it. Not my fault. You can sit like right behind me, and they wouldn't see me. You do it with bad head.
Like my hair.
I was joking. Or maybe I wasn't. Hmm?
Thanks. Fuck good.
You don't. Hidden ones.
Can they see my face
No. I think you're pretty.
You're obliged to say.
Exactly. No matter what. Just nail my neck with the headphones.
Do you actually care if I'm in the background?
Hmm?
Do you actually care if I'm in the
Nah, you can be in the background. Do anything you want. Go crazy.
background?
Hey, that's just me.
Hey.
Hey.
Long time no see.
Yes, I haven't heard our beautiful voices in a while.
Yeah.
Alrighty. Oh.
Testing some recording. I'm making a PCM file on my phone so that I can try and see if that converts.
Okay.
Yeah.
We tried with the Opus last night, didn't we?
Yeah.
I think we did. Yeah.
Even this thing I got can't even play the thing it recorded. This app.
Okay, that's
not very helpful, is it?
Nah, that's scary ones.
1600. Testing. Cool.
Oh,
Not extra.
Hey, Lincoln.
Hey, Lincoln.
hello. Oh,
How's it going?
so much. Just finished. Was just doing the SQL stuff for database for our subject. Yeah.
Okay, cool. Is that a good subject?
Yeah, it's. I think it's useful for databases. Like, I think it's useful in that area.
Is that the database concepts one?
Yeah, database concepts. Yeah.
Yeah, I did that. I think 2 semesters ago. It was pretty good.
Yeah.
The textbook was like really horrible though.
Yeah.
It was like proper like made by a mathematician. I'm just like, It was good though.
Yeah.
Really useful.
It's pretty useful.
When's your exam?
Oh, it's like 2 weeks time, I think. Yeah.
Oh, cool.
Just finishing the assignment off.
Ah,
Yeah. Oh, how's the bot going?
we're trying to get a file conversion going right now. We've run into a bit of a roadblock. You'll see it there about line 80-ish. I'm just going to try something real quick. 1 second.
Cool.
See what I can.
Hey, Lincoln.
Yeah.
I haven't put in the Rogue One token yet.
Oh, yeah.
Because
Yeah, finish testing first, of course. Yeah.
well, Byron wanted it in there, but I'm worried about spamming everybody.
Oh, yeah, true.
Like,
you need the guild member. We need the channel ID. Oh, yeah, they have it. Yeah.
yeah, could you show me how to do that? Because I noticed with your test server you were hitting a different channel.
Yeah. You need the channel ID, I think. Yeah.
Yeah.
Of the specific channel. Yeah. Just wait. Oh, open up. It's the string in the middle. Yeah.
I was sitting there ready with it, and I'm like, no, I'm not going to do it. It'll be my luck that it just floods all the channels with something.
Yeah. Yeah. Wouldn't want that to happen.
No. Upload.
Yeah.
It's a cool way to test the FFmpeg. Hey, Ryan. That way we're not like having to run the code each time.
Yeah, that was really convenient.
It was on that page, like, because that guy just said that he adapted it from.
Yeah, I was trying to find more info on that. supposedly your wave stuff is just like better on the PCM.
Yeah.
But this is really weird. Like I'm starting to get the feeling like and I agree with you, like the testing of another PCM file that maybe it's not recording it properly. Like
Yeah.
initially.
So
It's strange.
that hence what I'm doing now. Like I was.
Yeah. If we can't get that, you probably noticed I put some. I tried adding another part for the like actual Google upload, like getting that ready.
Yeah.
Just trying to put some logic in there. I haven't tested that yet, but I was just getting that ready. I'm trying to adapt that. So I was getting frustrated about half an hour ago. I was like, "Argh."
Yeah.
It's like, why do you hate me? So yeah.
Yeah, I think this looks better. How do I play you? Maybe I'll download.
Yep.
Got
Yeah,
feedback.
now we're spamming to the test server. Yeah, I changed the guild member add to spam only in the test channel.
Oh,
Yep.
Awesome. So in that.
Only for the welcome message. Because that's the thing that outputs the.
Okay. Yep.
For all the other testing, you'll have a specific channel to test, I guess.
Yeah. True.
Hello, Tim.
Hey Tim.
Yeah, so you just the channel ID is just the thing. The number is the get number, and for that channel ID, you have to have you just get it from the number that is in the front. Like after channels slash, there's two numbers. There's a number in front. That's the channel ID.
So where you talking? You're
Right.
talking the pinned message. Is that what you mean?
Oh no! In the HTTML, the URL link at the top of the Discord, there's like the two numbers. One of those numbers is the ID channel ID. Yeah, one of them is channel ID, and then you just copy it and paste
Do you know
it
which
into
one's
the,
which?
Yep.
First one's probably server and second one's channel.
Yeah, first one's server, the second one's channel. Yeah.
Cool. That's awesome.
Same,
Thank you.
yeah, server and channel. Yeah. Okay.
All right. Well, yeah, if we swap the token around then, I put the rogue token in there. So we can tell Byron he can just switch it over, I guess.
Yeah. Yeah.
Cool. So in the
Yeah.
the
Rogue
guild.
token.
Okay. Nice one.
Yeah, we'll have a better welcome message like that.
Oh yeah, that's my one. I think your one was better. So hey Ryan, I recorded something on my phone.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
I imported it and used FFmpeg to convert it. It went for about 3 seconds. It slowed it down to something like, it now goes for 7 or 6 seconds or something. And it had me saying testing, and it's come out going testing, but it's done something. So
That's cool.
it's our recording. It's not recording properly.
Yep. All right. Yeah.
Yeah.
Is that okay? Not recording properly.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah, the only two choices we have, I thought, is PCM and Opus, though.
Yeah. Hey, Lincoln, when you set up when you installed the NPM,
Yep.
did we do Node Opus or Opus? We did the popular one, didn't we? The one they said to do.
Yeah, we did the looking back at it.
think it was Node Opus.
Node Opus, yeah, we use Node Opus because of the voice support. Because what you said something about the easier to use. One of them was easier to use, I think.
Yep. Cool. Well, that helps. Maybe we can look at this, Ryan, and see what we're doing.
Yep.
Anyway, we're all here, yeah? So we should do our... We're going to do our assignment, yeah?
Yep.
Test it out.
So have we tested the whole bot?
Yeah.
I've ran through almost all of it.
Okay.
We should run through it all now if you want.
Yeah, that's good.
Is that
Sounds good.
token your server? Or your bot token, or is that the...
Oh, there should be 3 up there.
Yeah.
Like-
Mac, there's Mac
There we go.
token, my
Rogue.
token, and the Rogues token.
Cool.
Who wants to run it?
Matt, you can do the honors.
Should we do it on Rogue? Or on our test server first?
I thought
Test
we
server.
were doing a test one.
Test server first. We don't want something embarrassing to happen.
I can see Byron just looking at his phone, just screaming internally.
Andrew's like, where are you?
Because isn't it it doesn't want the welcome feature to like spam everyone?
Yeah,
Something like that.
been worrying about that.
What did we change to not make it spam?
Yeah.
Is there a...
Lincoln just pointed it at the channel, the test
okay.
channel. So if you join the test channel.
Cool.
There's 2, a general channel and a test channel. So only spam, it will only spam to the test channel. So, yep. I come to join back in to see if it works.
Yeah. Get to see my primitive way of running things. Boom. Okay.
Okay, I'll kick someone off. Tim, Ryan or Tim?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll just kick Ryan out first.
All good. I'm
And I'll
gone.
have to invite you.
That's all good.
Oh, it's spamming.
What is it spamming?
Oh no, that's stuff that's already
Huh?
done. Don't worry.
No, nothing yet. They've already done that. Yeah, that was there already. Then in front of me, it starts spamming right.
I was scrolled up a little bit.
Would you like me to join now?
Yeah, I pasted the link into Discord. Yep.
Connecting it. Oh, there we go.
Yeah, test channel should have a message.
Yep, I just got a message. Please welcome Ryan Brusky to the test server in the general channel.
Cool.
Nice.
Where was
All
that?
right. So I'm sharing my screen if you want to see it. Otherwise, you can
Yeah.
just go to the test server and go to test channel.
Yeah. So that's the welcome feature done.
Tick.
It spams right into the test channel. That's good. Tick. Time barracks.
Time. Let's get the time in this United States.
United States. Oh.
Oh no, it didn't do it.
See, wait, that's the Victoria one.
Let's grab the wrong one.
Oh, you grab
Oh.
the one.
The-
Like,
Okay, that number's not working. It's grabbing
oh,
number.
0. It should be 0. I
Three?
think your array index is wrong, Matthew. I think the array index is wrong.
Yeah. Yeah, it's wrong.
Yeah.
Cool. Does someone want to note them down as we go?
If I can. So,
Minutes. I'll just put a comment there somewhere. Like,
Oh, I thought I fixed that. maybe I broke it.
Okay, core feature 2. I just put a thing comment right at the top.
And it should probably switch it to what is it? ADST, is it? Or
AEST, is it?
because it's daylight savings at the moment.
Australian Eastern Saving, yeah.
So yeah, that's also wrong.
Okay. Array index is wrong, client graph is wrong, and
Cool. All right. What's next?
daylight.
I wish we had a little help thing that told us all our commands. So like all the prefixes.
I know. We should.
All
I
right.
think, where's the next?
I think the next we just got to search and then use
Yep.
the genre.
Time?
Do search. Oh, we did time, so we'll go to search.
Oh,
Search.
Okay,
Or
search.
the genre search.
Search, yeah. Yeah, search.
Should
Whatever
we-
game. You can
Maybe-
do other games, like, yeah, just to. Crazy, I know it works, but you can use other games to do it.
Whoa.
Civilization.
Yeah. See.
We're gonna wait for
Bit
it.
of Civ love.
Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
Lots of love, yeah.
We should probably combine it together so it just drops them all at once.
Yeah. Oh, you mean make it all into
Like add it
One
to a
string.
string and then just
yeah. I noticed the method you did in one of your searches. You added like it to one string, yeah.
yeah. I was just sick of hearing do 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 do, but I've
Yeah.
turned it off now, so it doesn't affect me. All right, cool. So let's go info. Which game do you want to know about?
Civilization 2, option 2.
Option 2.
Meter Civilization 4 should be some game there. Yeah.
Cool.
I probably played about I don't know 400-500
94.
hours of this game.
Oh,
Really?
really?
Civ 4.
Wow.
Yeah.
I was a
You
StarCraft
lost
guy.
like strategy a lot, yeah.
Cool. All right. So to add it to the cart, Tim.
I think you just go.
Still $20. Wow. That's expensive.
What number is it?
It was 2.
2, yeah.
Dot.
Enter.
Okay, and then it's something like
That's a
Sure.
typo there. Game. Should be game added to
Trade
cart.
it.
okay.
I'll just paste that now. Then if you want to add,
Add number 9.
Cut dot beyond or so.
Boom.
then if we go, what was the command?
Okay, so that's how you do that.
Can we list the games in the cart?
Yep. Then we go content.
Okay. Oh, that's good.
Oh.
That's good.
Ah,
See
going
those.
on just fine.
Wait.
What's happening there?
Right, it's gone to the store page, the front page only. It's not going to the
Yeah, it
Okay,
doesn't
no.
have the app ID, yeah? In the name.
What's happening there?
yeah. So something to correct there.
What is in the array? What's the name to access the app ID? Is it just app ID? I'd say that's where the error is. Same with name. Is it
Okay, so what are you doing? You're,
JSON? What does it look like?
you're pushing the option from there. So-
If you come down to
Yeah, that's the game number. That's the app ID.
You got the game number there. Okay.
if you go to line 303,
303. Yeah. I see.
Yeah. That dot name is probably incorrect, and dot app ID is probably incorrect.
Okay.
Like it could be
Yeah.
uppercase.
Try again.
Let's have a look.
Let me see. Cart I. You push the
That's all
app ID
lowercase.
into the
app ID.
cart.
Name.
Okay. Cart.name. But you only push the app ID into it. You didn't push the name into it, did you?
So that should work, yeah? Lowercase ID.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, because that's the same as the one up here.
Yeah. That was.
Cool. All right, rerun it.
Save and rerun.
Cool.
Okay. Try it again. So you've got to search something first and
Okay, so then I can go cart 2. Let's go wait for it to finish.
you gotta wait for it to finish. Yeah. Wait, yeah, this one's-
Is that what I was meant to do?
Could be the 0.
Okay. And then what was it? Content?
Search.
Content up with uppercase. Starting uppercase.
Content.
Hmm.
But you gotta. Does it need the dot content dot something? Is it or you just content?
Oh, no,
Content.
it's calling it, so.
Yeah, content would just.
Oh, it's just content. Yep, it's calling it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Is the array I'm using?
Something's wrong with the array.
So
Wait.
that option.
You're only pushing the app ID in. You're not pushing anything else in. I think.
Oh, it's the so that game num is the number that you pick.
Yeah.
So
And
that
that'll-
should be pushing both
all
objects in.
3. Yeah.
Yeah, you should push in more stuff. I think maybe.
For option.
This substring that'll pick.
Yeah, I don't think you need any more than that.
I'll pick the next one. Push. Is it options? Is that the name of the array that search?
It is options, yeah. So up
Yeah,
here.
it's options. Options is correct. Yeah.
Yep.
And you're declaring options up the top here.
Yeah, I declared up the top. But options is only saving the. It doesn't save anything else. I think.
I think you've done name and app ID, haven't you? Or both? Hold on.
If you look at the search part 1,
Yeah, it's just your app ID.
it's only the app ID. So maybe that's why it's not pushing the stuff in, like more the name and stuff. It's only the app ID, so yeah, gotta be careful.
Okay.
All right, we'll put a pin in that one? For now?
Okay, so it needs to pull the content from search.1.
Yeah.
So how does options save the name? It's got the name and app ID.
I think there's other array that's.
Option J, game K, app ID.
Yeah, you can just put in options J thing games K dot name or something and it should say. But the games No, you should search from Gamescade because Gamescade has.
Games K.
But that's the whole list, so no.
Where's this games case? Sorry, I'm going.
So
Gamescade is the
237.
237. Okay.
So that's
it
the
has everything. Yeah.
The
That's
list?
the big list. Yeah, that's the big app list.
Oh, okay. Games case. The app ID listing. Okay. Sorry, I was a little bit. What's this?
so don't do that one because that's got all the games in it.
Yeah, that's
So
got all the games in it. So just
Good.
maybe
J. And then
But options, it is. Oh, it's just the.
okay,
yeah.
so it doesn't even.
It has to push it on.
So this. Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so this bit isn't there,
Yeah, this bit isn't
And
there.
then-
That's why it's not pushing.
and then
I'm
that
not
is the app ID.
It's just one thing, you know. Yeah.
When it prints from games.k, not from options.
Yeah.
Oh, cool. Okay, so
So all it has, options just has to have. It just has to push the objects onto options.
yeah, it just needs that app ID. Yeah.
Should be okay.
So then this line here, you need to change that and grab from games the name.
Yeah.
With which, sorry? The,
So if we go, would it be
You gotta
better?
use a loop to do it.
Yeah. So you could reuse this here without the
Message, yeah.
The
Yeah,
message.
you have to use
and changing options to your cart.
that will do it, yeah.
Well, not your cart. Like 'cause your cart will just have your app ID. Or you could add it to the cart. Should we do that, or should we come back to it?
I mean, all
Or I could make another array, like options, options name or something, and save the name in the other array. I mean,
is it?
that could be another like way. Like if I save,
Yeah, you actually build that
Save,
options
like-
out.
Yeah, if like what I had with the cart, it's just cart push.
you've got to push two things. But
Yeah. But if you push, if you go
Get rid of the app ID.
if you go options push, where are we? Games with K, and it goes through the top 10 matches and pushes the entire object onto the array. And then in message channel send, you're going options.
Can we do that now and just see what happens? That cool. Then we're gonna have to change the search. Yeah.
Yeah, it'll have to change a little bit. But we're going to do it now. But that's
Yeah.
yeah,
Let's
that's,
come back to it.
yeah,
Okay.
I'll leave a note in my.
So, do you want me to put back in what I took out here? Put app
Yeah.
ID back in there.
Thanks. I'll leave a note.
I forgot I was sharing the screen.
Yeah, I mean, what I could do if I just use the app ID. That's
That might
that'll
be
be
easier.
enough.
Yeah,
But,
that might
like
be.
that is enough because that's all I use. I do use the name,
So you could,
but as soon as you plug in the store address,
You have a
with the
link there, right? Yeah.
yeah, it'll bring it up.
Yeah. So it doesn't. Yeah.
What I'll do is I'll just it's just it's just an array of app IDs.
Let's see if it works. Yeah.
That should see if that works.
okay.
Yeah, see if it works. Yeah.
So save that. Come on. Yeah.
Ready.
I don't know. What's another good game? Let's go see what comes up with that.
PUBG. Oh, okay. Ryan would like PUBG or Overwatch.
My mate's been playing and I haven't even touched it yet.
What is it?
Players Unknown Battlegrounds. Heard it's a pretty good game.
Okay.
I'm hoping to play it near Christmas.
Yeah. I don't get a chance to do anything cool.
Oh,
Games anymore.
no violent games allowed.
Yeah.
Cool.
Oh,
Yeah, it works. Yep. Yeah,
Beautiful.
it works. Yep.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Nice.
Cool. So I'll just list those out.
Cool.
That's awesome.
Perfect.
All right.
Like it out
So-
brings through the image as well. That's nice.
That should be enough.
So try genre.
Genre. Yep.
What's another
So the functions.
uh
Search game from genre
Let's
and
go.
current game players.
Racing.
racing?
Rocket League. Yeah, that's
Oh, dirt rally.
what
There we go. Rocket League.
Grand Theft Auto is.
Oh,
Oh, my numbers are not working properly.
that's
Again.
a trailer. That's a big trailer.
Crikey.
Wow.
But it still works if you click it, right? Click it. Let's see if it works. Like,
Yep.
it still works. Like,
Oh, cool.
That's cool. It's like full. Yeah.
New stunt racing. Why is that so long? Is that something I've done, Lincoln?
I think that's the actual
That's-
length.
Hmm.
Like that's.
that's
Someone at Valve just decided to.
No, but
Yeah,
it's
I
like
think
copied. It's like copied a million times. That's
Yeah,
Oh no, they've all got different IDs.
yeah.
they do.
Like-
Yeah.
Oh,
What the?
Cool.
and then if we go,
Not sure what's happening.
if we search for player unknown and get the current players.
Yeah, go for it. Oh, do you
Yeah.
want to drive?
What does it search? But
Oh, so search a game.
Oh, such a.
Players, isn't it? Current game players. What is that going? Blah. Starts with players.
Search Player Unknown Battleground. Oh, you
Oh, we
I
need
think
like
it's spelled wrong.
need an error handle in there. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah.
It says it's not found. hold on.
Is the space?
Yeah,
I
because
think-
it's not using regex, is it? It's
Yeah,
just so if it's like shorter. Oh no, options isn't running, or like whatever.
wait,
What have
It's
we?
not resetting itself.
yeah. Hmm.
We
Do you
didn't really
wanna-
touch it, did we?
Should we note that down as well?
Yeah.
Yep. Current game players.
Well, its search isn't running more than once, I guess. Yeah, is that what it is?
No, I think
I think it's
the
after.
error. Like after the error occurs, somehow short circuits the search function. I think.
Yeah. Or after genre. The only other thing
Or-
was after genre.
Yeah. Not sure where the error occurs.
Looking at it.
Genre shouldn't do it because it's not really reusing anything, is it? Game info is data.
Wait.
No, it's using game info.
Yeah, it should be. So it should be.
It's like it's not running. Oh no, it's the first part of the search. Sorry.
Yeah, it's first pass of search. Let me.
Unless games has become corrupted somehow. I don't know.
Oops. Okay. That worked.
That means the text variable must have changed somehow.
It's not overriding itself, so the options isn't resetting because I ended up like it's not running that first bit of the search again.
Yeah.
So if I do info, it's still got Half-Life in it, or it's doing it. Hold on, I'll do. Okay. Info. Okay, so it's not resetting itself.
Yeah, not really sure.
I think I tried to go back and play Half-Life some years ago. It was one of those ones where I just couldn't get by not having good graphics.
So the options just needs to clear itself. That's pretty much it.
I don't know
Well,
what's, I don't know what has to clear though.
also need to.
Where is text defined?
Text comes from the start of the bot.
Start of the bot, yeah.
Okay.
Maybe I
it's
should
Oh, text is defined outside it.
Yeah,
That could be.
outside it. Yeah. If other people is using, no one should be using text, right? If other people is using the global, is it like search the bots to see if anyone else is using text?
It's
Well,
getting,
That could be the
Yeah.
problem. Yeah.
it's
All of
getting
them have
genre.
text in it,
Uh,
but it should be.
Oh.
It overrides it in every other.
Yeah. I think if someone uses text, was it say kind of like a global, like
yeah,
it could
it's just-
override like the text is.
But so what's text to you? Because text is the message, so that's okay that it changes every time.
Yeah.
It should be okay.
Otherwise, nothing would work. It would always just send the same
Yeah.
result.
True.
Just try I don't know. I'll have to look at that. Yeah.
Yeah, I think we'll just do some debugging on that.
Yeah, I'll just wait. I'll just empty the options array after the for loop. Then
But we
it
also
should be
need to,
okay.
you need to use it in
Oh yeah.
you need to use it in info and in cart.
Mm,
And doesn't genre use it as well?
Genre,
Yeah, it'll get reused.
it'll definitely get reused in a lot of places. I don't think genre uses it though. Genre uses the game info again.
Oh, okay.
so it only occurred after like there was an error, or was it?
I don't think it was an error. It was kind of,
Yeah.
it was the error. Like it didn't return anything.
Stop and search again. Stop the button and run again and search for multiple games and see if it works.
Cool. All right, so search. Let's go random something. Wallace and Gromit's Grand Adventure.
Grand Theft Auto.
All right. So should I do another search now? and
Yeah,
see?
do a again in grades or something. Yeah, whatever. Yeah,
Okay, that's what it is. Can't
yeah,
run.
that is it.
So it kind of needs to. It needs to keep it, but if it runs again, it needs to reset itself.
I'll just put a flag, a boolean valuable or something.
What's that? Sorry.
A boolean valuable, like a flag or something. Like
Yeah.
could do something like that maybe.
Yeah.
Let me think.
Yeah, just
So,
have a look at that.
yeah.
So I'll go check the console, see if I get anything. Game app ID.
Oh, it's GTA 4. No one's going to be playing that.
Game number. Hmm. 316. Game players, current players. So are you calling that up here?
Oh, yes, that's the module.
Current players?
The
Because
module current players.
Game players.
Named it game players. Yeah, and there's only one function in it, which is the current players.
Game players. Current
Could be an
players.
issue there.
No?
Yeah, I can look into that and see what's happening.
That should be outside of it.
Which one?
Yeah. Game players, current players. Cool. Let's run it, see what it does.
Yeah, there's no players in that game. I'd look at it.
So what? Players 0?
So I'm getting. I just ran my browser. So try Counter Strike. Browser.
Why don't you think you're a function? Okay. This isn't a module.
Haven't I exported it properly?
So
What do I have to do?
oh no, that's not a module either, is it?
Have I got to export it somehow?
Yeah, so that should be the. So if we. Okay, what have I done?
Yeah, so I've got to go export.
Okay, that should work now.
Oh, yeah.
Ready.
Should it be exports dot the function?
Module.exports. Yeah, is that all right? I copied it from here.
Okay.
I think I know what's going on. Yep.
Current players undefined, so it did something. That's cool.
I think I know.
It could be.
Oops.
So when it passes the JSON,
So it passes players back. Yeah.
yeah, should we just print? Are we able to print the whole array to the console?
Yeah.
Just
So,
see what, I guess in.
Yeah. Okay. Players.
Because there should only be one item in it.
So
Yeah, when I do it in the browser, it's player_count is the name of the.
okay, to get into there.
Yeah, there's like player_count, and then there's result, which is always 1.
Okay. We are meant to doing our assignment, yeah? So we'll do that on Sunday?
Yeah, I think we
Yeah,
just
me too.
gotta. Do that to anything?
Let's see what the console did. Ah. Response play count. Okay, so bracket response.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay.
That should work, I think. I love the console. So good. Ready. Oops. Ah, broke something. Unhandled promise. Oh. That. We did this last night.
Okay, I think I fixed it. I should have fixed the error now. I need to test it.
Okay, just a tick.
Yep. I'll just save it first. Wait.
When it passes the JSON, shouldn't it just be a regular array?
Response is not defined. Okay. What were we doing? So it's not a variable, it's text. So I think that does it. So when we were doing this search, there was another one where we had to put in the info in to get it to run.
Oh, that was the one identifier. The problem was that was the problem, right? Like identifier.
Yeah.
Okay.
This is fun debugging together. It's cool.
Yeah. Let's see if it works. Yeah. And do again. Wait. Oh, okay.
Boo. Oh well.
Yeah.
Boom.
Cool.
Cool. So that was just when you've got a promise, you need to have this catch thing at the end.
Oh, yeah.
And then what is it? It's when it's a object, you can't access it with a, like you would access an array. So you can't say 0 or something like that. You kind of have to say the name of it.
Yep.
Which I still get confused about.
Cool.
Cool. All right.
With the assignment,
All right, I can stop sharing now, yeah?
Yep.
Cool. So we should probably all fix these things, yeah, before we make it official.
Yeah.
Fix up all those time things and the numbering. So I haven't touched the assignment yet, apart from my student log.
Yeah, all I've done, student log. I did the challenges the other night. Wasn't sure how in depth Lauren wanted us to get. We did all up was 2 pages in the end. I think that's adequate.
2 pages. Cool.
Yeah, including what was there, so it was all right.
Okay.
And the actual report itself, I thought we'd bring a lot of it from what do you call it?
Can copy and paste them some previous.
Yeah. Sorry, my thing just dropped me out. Yeah, you're right.
Oh yeah. Good stuff.
Yeah, that's not too hard. That's just drop that one in.
The search function's working again.
I think it's working now. I updated it.
Cool.
Yeah, I'm running multiple searches now. Hey, what's
Ooh. We can run
2
2
and
searches.
then
You can do it. That's it.
you can do 2. You can do one more.
Yeah,
Why is that? That's so strange.
that's all you need. 2 games. That's it.
Again. Why?
So you guys are looking at the template, yeah?
Yep.
Started filling that out. Okay. Oh, also, by the way, my student log, I've linked to all the sit reps and the meeting minutes. Pretty sure you could grab those, so you don't have to do the linking.
I did my own link up to we did.
Just a
Oh,
suggestion. If you want to save yourself some hours with linking.
that took forever.
Yeah.
The feels.
I thought, should share that if somebody wants to use it. Okay. Oh, yeah. I put the... Do you guys like the team logo I forced upon you all by putting it on
Beautiful.
the page? Yeah.
Oh, yep. Looks good.
That's me utilizing my work hours.
He looks so sad,
He is sad.
staring across the abyss.
Yeah. Well, he's not even doing that. He's looking down. He's like, I've been seeing this my entire life.
What have I become?
All right.
So that's even their trailer is pretty on point. I had to fix up some checklist stuff. I did that just about an hour ago.
Okay.
Looking pretty good in that regard. I think next big thing is going to be actual recording there. Yeah, and I think we're going to do that peer review as well. On Sunday, it should be announced.
Yeah, cool.
That could be later.
I think that's outstanding.
Okay, so we're going to meet up on Sunday, yeah?
Yeah, happily.
Cool. So this time I actually will do the individual part and have that done.
Do we want to do like put in the description for one of the core features each?
Yeah, put in the ones that you've been working on.
Yep.
Um,
I guess, yeah. And
In the description, you mean in the actual report template?
Yeah.
Or, yeah.
it's only worth like 2.5%, the information, but it'd be
yeah.
a couple of pages. But it's got a little template. Hang on.
Where are you looking?
This is core extended project hours challenge.
There's the draft.
Copy of draft assignment for.
Yeah.
Okay.
But in the actual sort of template, yeah, it's just got placeholders.
Yeah.
I guess
So-
we've done an individual section and we've done the core the features we worked on. And I guess the Trello cards as well, but they should all be up to date.
I think it slightly changes, so
Yeah.
it's got yeah, it's got total hours to complete feature broken down into learning research. So we should do all that.
Yeah.
Do not delete any information. It's really annoying. Should include it then if like in the format. Those sorts of things make it really, ambiguous. Like prefer just to be given a structure.
And then we can do presentation next week. It's due the 26th.
Yeah.
And the report's due 24th. Code
Correct. So we could do the recording next week.
So we'll try to lock away this assignment then early if we come back on Sunday and clean it up.
Yeah.
And then we have to fix our code so then we can present it.
Mm-hmm.
But then if each of us, because do we have to do all the extended features as well?
We do what time permits.
Yeah.
Well, we can, yeah.
The time mix. Yeah.
Oh yeah, with extended feature. Yeah, so we've got to show the entire bot.
Yeah.
So the more extended features we have, the more
marks we get.
Yeah. So I'll work on where's Trello gone?
You can move your current game players across, Tim.
Oh, yeah.
To victory.
But I'll do the display recent game rating. I'll
Yeah.
have a crack at that.
Cool. Linking game news. So we've got that under control.
Yeah. I'll have it under control.
Cool. I suck and I haven't done any of the community section reviews, but an idea.
And I'm still battling voice search.
Yeah.
It's all good.
With Matt's help too.
It'll bump up our hours.
Yeah. We should log all those hours. Have you logged them?
I've logged a little bit.
Yeah. Can I add myself to your card?
Oh yeah, happily. Yep.
This can be free. It's a hard one.
Is it?
Yeah, she's.
How's it coming along? The voice one.
Well,
There's parts of
basically,
it that work.
Yeah, we're at the the conversions having issues going from a PCM file type to WAV, so there seems to be something wrong with the FFmpeg like module install maybe. So I was going to ask Byron if there's something that we've done wrong during the install.
I reinstalled it all today.
You reinstalled it all today? Oh, okay,
Yeah.
okay. Maybe I'll just have a look at the output stream stuff and see if there's another way then.
Yeah, I think it's the recording.
Mm.
And probably like some of that, like, yeah, the output settings that we're using.
Okay.
But the PC M8 file that I put in there just before converted to test one wave, which was cool.
That's rad.
Apart from it being slow, it did actually, I could hear the audio when I downloaded it.
So what does Google need? It needs a WAV file at like normal speed.
Yeah, it needs a linear 16, yeah?
That is correct.
So it can't just take a PCM.
No, unfortunately. Later on, the Google Speech component of it's really, really specific. It'll only work with like that one file type.
Right.
So that's why we kind of got that constraint.
Oh, maybe it's meant to be slow because of, so Google can listen to it.
That would make sense.
Yeah.
Because it does, they reckon don't be surprised if like 25% of the time, like it just won't work. Like it's just, when it's recording, it'll just have weird issues. That's what Old Mate was saying in his article.
Yeah.
But that would make sense actually,
Yeah.
seeing as how quickly we speak.
So is it using a module to convert to WAV?
Yep. It's using the
It's designed for the Google Voice to text.
yeah, I don't think it's like designed exactly for it, but it's kind of like what everyone uses to convert their audio. This FFmpeg. It seems to be like the standard, I guess, or the recommended standard at least. That's a vibe I get from it.
You can like pull audio out of videos, save them to waves.
You can do all sorts of cool stuff with it, actually. It looks like, yeah, pretty robust. By trying to go from PCM to WAV, it's, yeah, so why it's what I've done wrong with the output.
I'll chuck in the line that I used.
Yep, thank you.
Okay. So line 80.
Line 80? Yep. Cool. Yep, that works. Okay.
Oops. Test 2 wave.
Wonderful. So that's where we're kind of at with Tim. We've gotten some other like parts kind of ready, but haven't been fully tested yet. Waiting on the file to be converted. So we've got the Google upload function kind of ready to be pulled through. and the speech part will be after that. So, yeah.
There's worst case the presentation's due Sunday. Yeah, and it can just be recorded very quickly, you know, even on Saturday if needed.
Sure.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, we can do one of these and just jump in and, like Brian
Yeah.
said, doesn't need to be pretty.
Yeah, and screen share.
Oh, yeah, I'm all for getting the other ones recorded tomorrow and not tomorrow, Sunday, and getting them going. That's okay. I'm cool with that.
I'll do assignments Sunday just because
No, sorry.
yeah,
Yeah.
I'm not going to probably touch any of the code until then. Apart from doing voice stuff with you.
Yeah, I'll be jumping on it pretty hard tomorrow. Thank you.
I think, yeah, by Sunday we'll have most of the assignment done. And it's just, yeah, got to clean it up.
Cool.
Sounds lovely.
All right. Is that us? Do you mind if I get going?
That's fine.
Yeah.
Good
Need
bug
to go.
testing.
Time to go. Yeah.
No worries.
Was anyone doing minutes?
I was all good.
Sweet.
Okay. Sweet.
All over it.
Nice.
No worries.
All right, nice work,
All right.
guys. It's good.
Yeah.
Good stuff.
Right.
Almost there.
Almost
Very
there.
nice.
All right, have a good weekend, guys.
Yeah, you too.
No worries.
You
See
too.
you later.
There you go.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.